Hi, friends. Today we will learn to write the letter B.
B for belly rubs?
Nord, that too. But let's see more B words.
B is for bus.
B is for ball. I love balls. Oh, oops. Catch it.
B is for banana. Yummy and healthy.
Can dogs eat bananas?
Yes, but not too much. Or big belly. B is for book. Books are full of adventures.
B is for balloons.
And best friends, let's start writing a capital letter B.
Big B, standing tall. Line goes down from top to wall. One big belly, then one more. That's Big B we all adore. Start at the top line. Draw a straight line down to the bottom line. This is the backbone. Go back to the top. From the top line, make a big curve out to the right, stopping at the middle line. From the middle line, make another curve out to the right and down to the bottom line. The two curves sit inside the lines, not going above the top or below the bottom. Until done, let's repeat. Big B, standing tall. Line goes down from top to wall. One big belly, then one more. That's Big B we all adore. You're doing great. Now let's learn to write the lowercase letter B. Compare the capital and lowercase letters B. Little B, slim and neat. Line goes down so straight and queet. One small belly to the right. Little B is written right. Do you remember the links to the worksheets and coloring pages are always below the video? Join us and write together. Start at the top line. Draw a straight line down all the way to the bottom line. Go back to the middle line. From there, make a round curve to the right, touching the bottom line. Remember, the belly of B is always on the right side of the line, and it never goes above the middle line. Keep your letters between the lines. Big B touches the top, middle, and bottom lines. Little b touches the top and bottom with the belly sitting between the middle and bottom lines. Say it while you write. Line down, belly, belly, big B. Line down, one belly, little b.
We're so proud of you. You did great.
Don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first to see the next letter.
And hit that paw. Like button.
See you next time, friend. Big fluffy hugs from us.
Hold on. Is it tasty?
No. Bananas need to be peeled.